Howdy fellas, I hope you're faring well. We've been talking quite a bit about saving money on the hobby of muzzle loading, and one good way to do that is the way you clean your gun. Of course, you can buy commercial products to clean it with. The best way I found and what works for me is simply just hot water. It doesn't have to be boiling, just get it good and warm, and you can put some soap in it if you want to. But in the case of a percussion gun, you would find something that would plug your nipple up, or in a flintlock gun, you would find something to plug the touch hole. You simply pour that warm or even warm soapy water down the bore of your gun, let it set till the barrel cools down, and then pour it out. And then you can use your patches to finish getting the rest of the fouling out of your gun, which works well for me anyway, the way I've done it. Now, if I've just shot a time or two, sometimes I'll use a commercial product to clean it with. That's all well and good, but just plain old water or soapy water is a cheap alternative. Now, if you want to spend a little money, you can buy an item called a flint flush. You take your lock out, and this goes over your lock, and it's got a little O-ring on it that covers your touch hole up. You get that tightened down, and this goes over your lock plate. And you can then put the weighted end of that down in your water solution, whatever you want to use, and use your patch and ramrod to pump that in and out of your gun. Now, you people, these are about $30 plus, but you people that have a percussion gun are in luck. You can get a nipple that will fit the threads of your drum on your percussion gun, less than $10. Some of them are around $5, and they even come with a little piece of hose on them too to put in your cleaning solution. So that's another way you can save a few dollars on your hobby of muzzle loading. And give me the ideas of how you clean your gun in the comments. I'd appreciate that, to let me know how you do it too. But as always, thanks for watching. God bless you. And from me, in the spirit of Jake, keep your powder dry and mind your top knot, Bill.